Hey everybody, we are going to make some very simple graphs. The first thing that you might want to do is delete columns C and D. You can do that by right-clicking and then choosing Delete Selected Columns. They're from previous data, so you don't need it. Then we're going to go over to what is now column E, but most importantly, this question, in your opinion, which is the most commonly, frequently used by BLA students. This column can work for a pie chart because it's going to add up to 100%. So I have selected the column just by clicking on it. Then I'm going to go to Insert. And I am going to insert a chart, and I am going to choose for my type of chart a pie chart, and I am okay with the data range. So I'm going to keep everything as it is, and I already have my chart. Once I have my chart, I can move it around. And I can also see the information. So YouTube is 3.5%, Instagram is 11.8%, Tinder is 1.2%, and iMessage is 1.2%. One person responded for each of those. And then, as you can see, Snapchat is pretty enormous. So after you're finished with that, you can actually do things with that chart. You can move it to different places. You can change what people are going to see, and just use it as an example. You can also just delete it. So your task now is to find some other data on this chart and decide which kind of graph or pie or chart would work best for it, and give it a try.